So we're exchanging out Wild Bill's feeders.
Yeah.
Because Wild Bill's came up with a design that is stupid. I've been buying these feeders for 25 years. It's the best feeder on the market. It's very durable. They last forever. In 25 years with the ones that I've owned and given people, I don't know how many I've bought, probably over 20. And what they did is on their connection, they went from this. They always, for 20 years, had a damn alligator clip that you just clip on and it stays there. It doesn't pull off. It does not pull off. This wire stays attached. In the last couple years, they started putting these damn clips on them that go in this hole, and this is how good they stay in. I mean, you can rattle it. If you touch it, it falls out. It's the stupidest major step backwards ever. I mean, they fall out, then the squirrels start chewing on them, and I don't know why these guys did it. But if anybody buys one of these, take this, cut the damn wire right there where they had this clip on it. Put an alligator clip on it, and there's a little red thing that when it comes new, you just take off here, and then it'll work like it's supposed to work, like they originally made them. And I have no clue why. And I have bought two. The reason I'm replacing this one, this is not an old feeder. It looks old because it takes a lot of abuse because these damn things fall out. You can buy a brand new one, and in 2 weeks, this will be falling out. It's a horrible new process they have to attach the wire to the complete the current. And then what these are designed to do is a 9-volt battery is put right here on the bottom. You unscrew that, put it in. If a squirrel makes contact with here and here, it's shocked, or here and here, it's shocked with a light shock. The squirrels here have all the food they can eat right there all day long, and this is for the birds because a squirrel will tie this up. One squirrel will tie it up for half an hour, babe, right? And then we'll have another one waiting. So that's squirrels, and this is for birds. So if you have a Wild Bill's feeder, that's an adjustment you need to make immediately.
And I love this feeder though.
Yeah, it's great. It holds a lot of seed. It's a huge hopper. I mean, it's as tall as you, babe.
I like it.
Yeah.
Except for that reef.
Giant step backwards for Wild Bill's manufacturing.